Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and clean filter on Roborock S5 Max. To this, first you will need to open the top cover of your robot. Inside you can find the dustbin. It's this transparent plastic right here. We need to put our two fingers, one in the gap right here and our pointing finger on the button. Press on the button and then pull up the dustbin. Right here you can already see the filter. Now to remove it, there's the gap on the left side. We can put our finger inside it and then simply pull it out like that. And now to actually clean your filter, you will need to put it under the running water. After it's clean, then make sure to fully dry it before reinserting it to your robot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.